Hi, my name is Joshua Darty. I am a student at Rankin. This is my fourth semester at Rankin, and this is my final project, my issue tracker. Some tech stacks that I've learned are JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, and React. Two takeaways I can learn. Two takeaways I've learned from making this project is one, hard work. Uh, Hard work is very important and is needed to create this final project, as well as anything else in life. Hard work and dedication is always a big factor. Another thing that I've learned or took away from this project while creating it is time management. Time management is very important, and I think that time management is a staple definitely when it comes to creating this project. Whether you're behind, whether you're ahead, or you're on pace, I think that creating those short-term goals and being able to say, okay, today I'm gonna do this, tomorrow I'm gonna do this, I think that can really go a long way and help you, you know, reach deadlines or maybe sometimes get done before the deadline. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this demo. So I will be creating a user. So let's go ahead and register a user. I'm just gonna use it's a fake name. I'll just say Jack. And Jack. Oh, Jack for the first name. Darty for the last name. Email. Make it simple. Let's put Jack123 at. Let's put Jack wrong. Jack123 at gmail.com. Again, keep it simple. 8 and select a role. You don't have to agree or accept the terms. It's up to you. Create an account, and as you see, I'm in. You get a nice little message in the top right or top left saying that you logged in successfully. And when you log in the nav bar, first thing you're gonna see is welcome, your email, and then to the right of that, next to the logout button, you will always see your role. We'll talk about roles a little bit more later. Also, when you log in, it will redirect you to the users, so you can view all users. As you can see, right here, Jack. You can also view bugs. You can also view all the bugs. All right. So go ahead and log out. Again, you will get that message top left corner saying you logged out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the roles. So, in this class, you're required to have 5 different roles. That being the developer, the business analyst, the quality analyst, the product manager, and the technical manager. So, first, we will get into the developer. So, I have a login for the developer. Let's go ahead and log in. Oh, well, before I do that, let me just show you guys that if you log in with the previous credentials that I just registered with, you should be able to log in. There you go. Let's go ahead and log out. Alright, so the first role we were getting into is the developer. So let's go ahead and log in as the developer. Let's go ahead and log in. Okay, so for the developer, just like with any role, the developer can view the data being the users and the bugs, but some things that are specific and just for the devs, they are the only ones who can. Oh, well, it's like no, they don't have one. So developers can view all the users. They can view all the bugs. They can also add a bug. So let's add a bug quick. I'll just say test 2 description test 2 just to give you guys an example. Assign to, say, developer classification. You have these to choose from. Status will say open. Submit form. And there you go, test 2. So all users within your role can add a bug. You can also search. So we'll just say computer. If I want something to pop up with computer, you can search. Boom. Everything has computer in it will pop up. Okay. You can also filter. Here are the options. So I want to filter by, let's say, unapproved. Search. It will show the classification of unapproved. If I say approved, it will search for the approved. Okay. Also, you can sort by the newest. So which was created first. You can also sort by title. So in alphabetical order by the title. You can also sort by the classification. Okay. So on and so forth. You can also do the minimum age. So the bug that was created, 1 day ago, search that up. Y'all go. So on and so forth. You can also do maximum age. So basically, how many days ago was the bug created? So you can put in like 16. These ones that pop up, and then so on and so forth. These are all created relativity. Can't talk. They're all created around the same time, pretty much. That's why they're all remain the same. Last but not least, you can also show open bugs. So you click the checkbox and click search. It will only show the open status of a bug. So if you unclick it and you click search, you will get all that were closed. And that is the same for the users. You can search for Jake. Only user with Jake will pop up. You can search for the developer as well. Developer will pop up. So on and so forth. Role, you can sort by or filter by role. Technical manager, developer, product manager, quality analyst, business analyst. Moving on, same thing for sort by. You can sort by given name, family name, role, newest, and oldest. So we'll just sort by role. Here y'all go. So sort by the role in alphabetical order. Same thing with the minimum age and the maximum age of the. Same with the bugs. So let's go ahead and get into our next role. And it looks like it will be the QA. Let's log out. And let's go ahead and get the login for the, oh no, let's say the next one is business analyst. So let's get the login for the business analyst. Log in. So for the business analysts, they can also view all data and create a bug. But the good thing about the business analysts is that they can edit and close bugs. So, like I said, they can edit a bug. You want to say it's assigned to a different, role. You can say business analyst, submit a form, and then it will assign it to a different role. You can edit it and say classification has been unapproved, and the classification will change. Also, you can also close bugs. That's one special thing that the business analyst can do. They can be able to close bugs, so you can hit close. Are you sure you want to close the computer, which is the title of that bug? So hit close, refresh, and then boom, status will be closed. So let's go ahead and move on. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I have a time limit of 15 minutes. So the next login will be the quality analyst, the QA. Let's go ahead and log out and log in as the quality analyst, which is Ron. Okay, so just like with all the other ones, you can view data. So you can view all the bugs and all the users, right? They cannot edit users or edit bugs, but the quality analyst can also create a bug, which all of the roles can do. Can be assigned to. Okay, that's what the specialist is supposed to have, but I don't have that. So moving on from the quality analyst, go ahead and log out. And let's get the product manager, which is Rick. Check the time real quick. Okay. It's like all the other roles. You can view data, so you can view all users and view all bugs. So the product manager can also create bugs. I don't have the comments or the test cases. So we're gonna move on to the technical manager. So let's go ahead and log out and log in as the technical manager, which is Kurt. Now, the technical manager can also view data, but the special thing they can do is edit. So they can edit a user, any user. So let's say Jack, I want to say edit to say Jake. It'll change it. If I want to edit the first name, I can say Jake for a full name. It will edit it and it will change. That's shown here. Jack email. They can also delete users. So if I want to delete a user, so I'll delete the one I just made. So I'll say delete. Are you sure you want to delete Jake Darty, which is the one I just edited? It was Jack. Press delete, refresh, and Jack or Jake